Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide emergency contacts on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on safety and emergency, then tap on emergency contacts. After that, we scroll down and tap on show on lock screen. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When we turn this on and then on your lock screen, you can see if I access the lock screen menu, there is now the emergency code, and if I tap on that, it will show the emergency contacts. Now if I hide it, so if I go back into settings and turn off show on lock screen, now you can see if I tap on emergency code at the top here, it will not show emergency contacts. And that's it. So that is how you can show or hide emergency contacts on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.